Today we're going to tackle about comparative and horizontal approach. What is comparative analysis?
An item on a financial statement has little meaning by itself. The meaning of the numbers can be enhanced by drawing comparisons. Percentage, changes, and relative ratios are widely used in comparative and trend analysis. Horizontal approach. Step 1. An item on a financial statement has little meaning by itself. The meaning of the numbers can be enhanced by drawing comparisons. Percentage changes and relative ratios are widely used in a comparative and trend analysis. Step 2. Horizontal analysis can either use absolute comparisons and percentage comparisons, where the numbers in each succeeding period are expressed as a percentage amount in baseline year, with the baseline year amount being listed as 100%. This is also known as base year analysis. Step 3. A base year is used for comparison in the measure of a business activity or economic index. For example, to find the rate of inflation between 2013 and 2018, 2013 is the base year or the first year in time set. How horizontal analysis works. Horizontal analysis allows investors and analysts to see what has been driving a company's financial performance over several years and to spot trends and growth patterns. This type of analysis enables analysts to assess relative changes in different line items over time and project them in the future. An analysis of the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement over time gives a complete picture of operational results and reveals what is driving company's performance and whether it is operating efficiently and profitably.
To perform a horizontal analysis, first is to choose a line item, account balance, or ratio that you want to analyze. Next, pick a base year and compare the dollar and percent change to subsequent years with the base year. Third, calculate the percentage change by first dividing the dollar change between the comparison year and the base year by the line item value in the base year, then multiplying the quotient by 100. In this slide, it is the statement of financial position of the information for the years 2019 and 2020 of Rhea Genetics Merchandising Enterprises and the corresponding horizontal analysis. In Rhea Genetics Merchandising Enterprises, they have an assets such as cash, accounts receivable, supplies, land, and equipment. So, in 2019, they have a cash of 400,000, while in 2020, they have 500,000, and in their amount change of the current year, they have an increase of 100,000, while in their percentage change, they have a 25%. While the accounts receivable, in 2019 they have 90,000, in 2020 they have 58,500, and in the current year, less the prior year, they have a decrease of 31,500, while the percentage change, they have also a decrease of 35%. In their supplies, in 2019 they have 40,000, in 2020 they have 28,000, and they have a decrease in the current year of 12,000, and also in their percentage they have a decrease of 30%. In their land, they have a 300,000 in 2019 and 360,000 in 2020. So they have an increase of 60,000 in the current year, and in their percentage change, they have an increase of 20%. So in their equipment, they also have a 120,000 in 2019, and in 2020, they have a 120,000. So there is no change in the current year of the amount change, and the percentage change, there is also no change. So in their total assets, they have 950,000 in 2019, and in 2020 they have 1,066,500 in the 2020. So the amount change in the current year they have a 116,500, and the percentage change amount change over the base year is 12,000.26%. So how did we compute the real genetic merchandising enterprises assets? So first is to understand the formula. The formula to get the amount change is horizontal analysis equals amount in comparison year minus amount in base year, wherein the comparison year is the 2020 while the base year is the 2019. And to compute the percentage change, the formula is horizontal analysis equals amount in comparison year minus amount in base year over amount in base year times 100. So first, let's compute the amount change in cash. First is to write or put the formula, which is the horizontal analysis equals amount in comparison year minus amount in base year. So what is the amount in comparison year, wherein it is under 2020? So it is 500,000. Well, minus the amount in base year, which is 400,000 under 2019. So 500,000 minus 400,000 is equals to 100,000. So that is the amount change. Next is to compute the percentage change. The formula is horizontal analysis equals amount in comparison year minus amount in base year over amount in base year times 100. So the amount in comparison year, which is 500,000, is subtracted to 400,000, which is the base year, over 400,000 times 100. So 500,000 minus 400 is equals to 100,000 over 400,000 times 100. So 100,000 over 400,000 is equals to 0.25 times the 100. So next is 0.25 times 100 is equals to 25%. So that is the percentage change of Ria Genetics Merchandising Company's cash. Well, their accounts receivable, just follow the steps and the formula to compute the remaining assets. So in the analysis, to sum it all up, after computing all of those assets and their amount change and percentage change, the cash of the business has increased by 25% in the end of 2020 versus 2019. While there is a decrease of accounts receivable by 35%, which the company must collect more of its receivables. There is also a decrease of supplies by 30%. So there is an increase of land by 20%, which the business acquired additional land to expand the business. And in the equipment, there is no change, and their total assets has increased by 12.6% at end of 2020. In this slide, it is the income statement information of year 2019 and 2020 of Freya Generics Merchandising Enterprises. So, to compute the amount change and percentage of this income statement, it is also the same with the financial statement of financial position of the recent slides. So just follow the formula and how to compute, then you will then have the answer or solution to compute the amount change in percentage of real generics merchandising enterprises. The analysis of their income statement, sales and CGS is the same. This could mean constant in business operations. Also, the gross profit has remained at 25%. The profitability of the business has improved in 2020 with the increase in net profit by 40%. So what are the benefits of horizontal? Well, horizontal analysis, it is very valuable because analysis assets past performance along with the company's current financial position or growth. These trends emerge and these can be used to project future performance. Horizontal analysis can also be used to benchmark a company with competitors in the same industry. And investors can use horizontal analysis to determine trends in a company's financial position and performance over time to determine whether they want to invest. Investors can use horizontal analysis to determine the trends in a company's financial position and performance over time to determine whether they want to invest in that company. However, investors should combine horizontal analysis with vertical analysis and other techniques to get a true picture of a company's financial health and trajectory. And that's all. Thank you.